This is an introductory walkthrough of GetOpenData, the new AI-supported app which allows users of all experience levels to interact with large open-source datasets in a conversational way. So let's jump in. Once you've created an account or logged in, you'll arrive at this screen where you can choose the particular kind of open data you'd like to analyze. Let's go with police stop and search data. At the top, you can see some basic information about the dataset, including the dates that it covers and an example record. If you need a more detailed description of the data and its source, click on this link. Now, the beauty of this app is that you just need to ask a question. Let's ask how many stop and searches were there per month in 2023. The AI model considers the question and comes back with a response in the form of a table. You could now copy that data in order to share it. Or if you suspect there may be something wrong with the response, you could click here in order to have the data analyzed by a professional. And if you click here, you can find out more about how the response was generated. If you'd like to visualize a response as a chart, you just need to ask for that. The app can create a whole range of charts. We'll use a bar chart for this example. Underneath the chart, you'll see that you can make adjustments for aesthetic or other reasons. Let's make the months different colors. You can change the scale of the axes, change the headings, the type of chart, and more. You can copy the chart here in order to share it. Return to your conversation by clicking X. You'll see down the left side that the app keeps a record of your conversations with the model, so that you can return to them at any time. When you want to start a new conversation, just click here. You can archive old conversations or rename conversations. And you can search your conversations using keywords. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using GetOpenData.